Hello children. Surely you must have recognized these words. What are they? They are the modals. What do they convey? Let's check out.
Can conveys possibility, ability, requests, orders, and permission. Could conveys past ability, suggestion, request, and possibility. Shall, future with I and V, conveys offer, emphatic form. Should conveys advisability, certainty, future about 90%. Will conveys certainty, future, willingness, promise, polite request, threat. Would conveys polite request, preference, repeated action, past only, reported speech, I will go. May conveys polite request, formal permission, possibility, 50% certainty. Might conveys possibility, 50% certainty. Must conveys strong necessity, strong certainty, 95%. Prohibition, negative.
Aren't you impressed by the wide variety of what modals can express? Now, what are we going to practice is modals can, can't, could, couldn't, should, shouldn't, must and mustn't. Let me remind you that the negatives like can't, couldn't, shouldn't, mustn't mean opposite of their positives. For example, if can means have the ability to, then can't means not to have the ability of doing something. ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਿਆਪਕ ਵੈਰਾਈਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵਿਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੋਡਲਸ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਨ? ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਸ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਮੋਡਲਸ ਹਨ can't, could, couldn't, should, shouldn't, must and mustn't. ਆਓ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਆਂ ਕਿ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਸ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ can't, couldn't, shouldn't, mustn't ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵਸ ਦੇ ਉਲਟ। ਉਦਾਹਰਣ ਲਈ can ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਹੈ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ ਦੀ ਯੋਗਤਾ, can't ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਹੈ ਕੁਝ ਨਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਣਾ। So, let's do an exercise now. You have to choose the correct answers from the given options.
She looks pretty sick. I think she dash go to a doctor. The options are can, should. And the answer is she looks pretty sick. I think she should go to a doctor. Advice. You've been driving all day. You dash be exhausted. The options are must, should. And the answer is you've been driving all day. You must be exhausted. Certainty. You dash smoke so much. It's bad for your health. The options are can't,
shouldn't,
and the answer is you
shouldn't
smoke so much. It's bad for your health. Advice. Hey, I'm lost. Dash you help me? The options are should, can. And the answer is, hey, I'm lost. Can you help me? Ability. You have such a beautiful voice. You dash sing for us. The options are should, can. And the answer is, you have such a beautiful voice. You can sing for us. Ability. I know he speaks 5 languages, but dash he speak Arabic? The options are should, can. And the answer is, I know he speaks 5 languages, but can he speak Arabic? Ability. That looks very expensive. It dash have cost a fortune. The options are must, should. And the answer is, that looks very expensive. It must have cost a fortune. Certainty. I dash believe that you failed your test. The options are can't,
shouldn't,
and the answer is, I can't believe that you failed your test. Ability. I'm on my way. I dash be there in about 10 minutes. The options are can, should. And the answer is, I'm on my way. I should be there in about 10 minutes. Certainty. I'm sorry. I dash afford that. The options are
shouldn't,
can't. And the answer is, I'm sorry. I can't afford that. Ability.
Did you notice, my dear children, how we decided to put a particular model in the shown blanks? If there was advice, we used should. And for conveying having ability, we used can, and so on. ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਓ, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਖਾਲੀ ਥਾਵਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਮਾਡਲ ਲਗਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੀਤਾ? ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ। ਯੋਗਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੈਨ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। And now we move on to some more examples where you can use two different models. Earlier there was a choice, but now you need to guess the correct answer.
The article stated that he dash read at the age of 3. The article stated that he could read at the age of 3. You dash take a sweater in case it gets cold. You should take a sweater in case it gets cold. It's going to rain all afternoon. Dash we go to the cinema? It's going to rain all afternoon. Can we go to the cinema? Scott dash be 21 at the end of the month. Scott will be 21 at the end of the month. Julie said the traffic was heavy, so she dash be late for the meeting. Julie said the traffic was heavy, so she could or she will be late for the meeting. You look a bit confused. Dash I help you? You look a bit confused. May or can or shall I help you? You stole a CD from a friend? You dash be ashamed of yourself. You stole a CD from a friend? You should be ashamed of yourself. I don't know the meaning of this word. Dash I borrow your dictionary? I don't know the meaning of this word. May or can I borrow your dictionary?
You already know that could is used to express possibility or past ability, as well as to make suggestions and requests. Could is also commonly used in conditional sentences as the conditional form of can. could ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਗੱਲ ਦੇ ਸੰਭਵ ਹੋਣ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਪਾਸਟ ਯੋਗਤਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਲਾਹ ਜਾਂ ਅਪੀਲ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ could ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਲ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ can ਦੀ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਵਜੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ examples extreme rain could cause the river to flood the city possibility Nancy could ski like a pro by the age of 11 past ability you could see a movie or go out to dinner suggestion could I use your computer to email my boss request we could go on the trip if I didn't have to work this weekend conditional here is something easier we have already done some mixed sentences using must now we shall practice its negative mustn't also what I want you to meditate upon are two things when we use must. We have gauged that it is much more forceful than should. When we say must, notice the stress, the force with which we say. Plus also notice the way we speak should. It is rather mild. Must conveys a kind of obligation and certainty. And if you have to say the opposite, the negative of must, then say mustn't. ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ must ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਕੁਝ ਮਿਕਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਸ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ mustn't ਦੀ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਅਨੁਮਾਨ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ must ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ must ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਨੋਟ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਸ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਫੋਰਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੋਟ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ must ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ must ਇੱਕ ਕਿਸਮ ਦੀ obligation ਭਾਵ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਜਾਂ certainty ਭਾਵ ਨਿਸ਼ਚਿਤਤਾ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਉਲਟ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ must ਦੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਕਹੋ mustn't
Fill in the blanks with must or mustn't. She is ill, so she dash see the doctor. She is ill, so she must see the doctor. It is raining. You dash take your umbrella. It is raining. You must take your umbrella. The dustbin is full. You dash throw the litter. The dustbin is full. You mustn't throw the litter. This is a secret. You dash tell anybody. This is a secret. You mustn't tell anybody. You dash make noise in the library. You mustn't make noise in the library. We dash hurry or we will miss the bus. We must hurry or we will miss the bus. You dash eat fruit and vegetables. You must eat fruit and vegetables. The baby is sleeping. You dash shout. The baby is sleeping. You mustn't shout. You dash be friendly to everybody. You must be friendly to everybody. You dash walk on the grass. You mustn't walk on the grass.
Children, now make sentences using must or mustn't and create a set of rules for your room as like this girl in the upcoming animation.
In my room, you mustn't listen to bad music. You must be nice to me. You mustn't shout at me. You must play with me. You must help me with my homework. You must share everything with me. You mustn't use my computer. You must tell the truth only. You mustn't break my stuff.
Children, there is another model, have to, which needs some clarification. Like should and must both express obligation, but must is much stronger. ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਓ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਮਾਡਲ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਚ ਕੁਝ ਸਪਸ਼ਟੀਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ should ਅਤੇ must ਦੋਵੇਂ obligation ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਪਰ must ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ strong ਹੈ. Look at the example on screen. You must tidy your room. Now, this is a strong obligation, but more of a personal obligation. It is something that the speaker feels is essential or necessary. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ strong obligation ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਿੱਜੀ obligation ਹੈ. ਕਹਿਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਜਾਂ आवश्यक ਹੈ. Now look at another example on screen. In England, you have to drive on the left-hand side of the road. Now this implies an obligation due to outside pressure, maybe law, some agreement, order or regulation. It is not something that the speaker feels is essential or necessary. ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਹਰੀ ਦਬਾਅ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ obligation ਹੈ. ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਹੋਵੇ, ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਹੁਕਮ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਨੇਮ. I must stop smoking. It is something that the speaker wants to do. ਇਹ ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬੁਲਾਰਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Compare the earlier example with this. I have to stop smoking. Now this implies an obligation from the outside, maybe an order from the doctor, but not necessarily something the speaker wants to do. ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਹਰੀ ਦਬਾਅ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ obligation ਹੈ. ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਹੋਵੇ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਬੁਲਾਰਾ ਖੁਦ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. And now let's do the most important and often repeated models, will and shall. ਅਤੇ ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਮਹੱਤਵਪੂਰਨ ਅਤੇ ਵਾਰ-ਵਾਰ ਦੁਹਰਾਏ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੇ models ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ. ਉਹ ਹਨ will ਅਤੇ shall. Will. It indicates simple future tense with second and third person subjects like you, he, she, it and they. Second ਅਤੇ third person like you, he, she, it ਅਤੇ they subjects ਦੇ ਨਾਲ will simple future tense ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Example. He will go to Mumbai tomorrow. They will play a match in the evening. But with the subjects of first person like I and we, it shows willingness. I will help you in your project. they will gladly cooperate. Promise. We will attend your brother's marriage. Don't worry, I will write for your transfer. Certainty. I will visit the Taj Mahal next Friday. Determination. I will find the truth at all cost. We will sacrifice our lives for our country. Threat. I will set him right. I will cancel your admission. I will see you after school. Children, let's check shall now. Shall. With the first person subject I and we, it conveys simple future. विद्यार्थियों आओ हुण shall चेक करिए. Shall first person subject I ਅਤੇ we ਦੇ ਨਾਲ simple future convey ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ. I shall go to Mumbai next month. We shall meet the president tomorrow. With the subjects of second and third person, you, he, she, it and they expresses command, promise, threat and determination. Second ਅਤੇ third person ਦੇ subjects ਦੇ ਨਾਲ you, he, she, it ਅਤੇ they command, promise, threat ਅਤੇ determination ਨੂੰ ਵਿਅਕਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ. Take a look at some examples. Order, command. She shall do it. He shall finish writing by evening. Promise. You shall definitely get a package if you complete your work. You shall get a bike if you pass the competition. Intention. I shall write to all the newspapers. We shall call on them in the evening. After practicing will and shall, now we move on to may and might. Will ਅਤੇ shall ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ may ਅਤੇ might ਵੱਲ ਰੁਖ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ.
May I come in, sir?
You may.
My dear children, do I need to tell you what may expresses as a modal here? What is the boy asking? He is asking for permission. Permission to enter the principal's office. So first thing that we know is that may is used to ask permission and to give permission. ਪਿਆਰੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਓ, ਕੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ may modal ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ? ਮੁੰਡਾ ਜਾਂ ਲੜਕਾ ਕੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ? ਉਹ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਦੇ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਾਖਲ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਯਾਨੀ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ may ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣ ਅਤੇ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. May I come in, sir? Asking permission. You may. Granting permission. What else does may express? ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਦਰਸਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? Possibility. For example, they may declare the result today. Your purse may be in your bag. Factual possibility. There are clouds in the sky. It may rain in the evening. The ground is slippery. The match may be postponed. The fact that there are clouds in the sky, therefore, there is a good possibility of rain. In the first sentence, there is a fact to support that it may rain in the evening. Which fact? Rather, factual evidence you have. That there are clouds in the sky. In the second sentence, we have the fact that the ground is slippery. So the match may be postponed. ਇਹ ਫੈਕਟ ਕਿ ਅਸਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਦਲ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਮੀਂਹ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੰਭਾਵਨਾ ਹੈ. ਪਹਿਲੇ ਵਾਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਾਹਿਰਾ ਸਬੂਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਮੀਂਹ ਪਵੇਗਾ। ਕਿਹੜਾ ਫੈਕਟ ਜਾਂ ਸਬੂਤ ਹੈ? ਇਹ ਕਿ ਅਸਮਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਦਲ ਹਨ। ਦੂਜੇ ਵਾਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਬੂਤ ਹਨ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਫਿਸਲਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਚ ਮੁਲਤਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। And may also expresses purpose. He is training hard so that he may pass. He is building his body so that he may join the army. Here I give you some examples. Just guess what they express. ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਉਦਾਹਰਨਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਸਿਰਫ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਗੈਸ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। May you live happily ever after. May you be blessed with your desires. And also, may you never succeed. Yes, this is may expressing benediction in the first two sentences and malediction in the last sentence. ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਵਾਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ benediction ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਅਤੇ ਆਖਰੀ ਵਾਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ malediction ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। Then comes might, the past of may. Permission. Might is also used to ask permission when you try to sound very polite, when we are asking a minister or asking a high official. Might ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਨਮਰਤਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਉੱਚ ਅਧਿਕਾਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। For example, might I suggest something? Might I come in? Possibility. The last bus has arrived, but my uncle might come. There aren't any clouds in the sky, but it might rain. Dear children, between may and might, there is the difference between the degree of possibility. When the degree of possibility is high, we use may, and when the degree of possibility is rather low, then we use might.